And believe me, that consistency can happen very quickly as long as you're focusing on what's in the kit, the basics. If you look at the best sports teams of all time, you'll find that their coaches were more often than not rabidly focused on the basics. Newt Rockne holding up the football at the beginning of the year and saying, "This is a football." I think his name is Gooden. I'm sorry. Can't believe I'm forgetting his name. He's the winningest coach of all time over in California, basketball coach. He would start the year showing his players how to tie their shoes. So the best people in nearly any skill set, from basketball to basket weaving to zookeeping, are, simply put, the people who have spent the most time honing and perfecting their skill set. There's just no shortcut, folks. I wish there was. Believe me, because of the last year almost dying back in May, I've spent quite a bit of time really focused in on my mental game, the mental aspect of trading. And I was talking to one of my mentors a few months ago, and I said, I feel like after 10 years, I'm finally learning how to trade. So for some people, it may take 10 years. For me, I really feel that really learning how to trade and really diving into some of these really cool interactions that we have with the market, ways to view the markets, tools to be able to shortcut some of the issues and mistakes that traders make, have really just come in the last year or so. Before, it truly, I believe, was a matter of will and a matter of determination, and quite frankly, I'm a very stubborn kind of guy. So, enough of that. So, if we're starting to get into this old advanced mode, and we want to be the advanced trader, and we want to start getting to the place where we're able to consistently trade for a few months and then stop trading, or consistently go in and make money and stop trading, or maybe it's a couple of weeks a month where you figure, okay, I want to start getting into the retirement mode, and I need to have consistent money to do that. What that means is you're going to have to start at zero. Okay, I don't care if you have $100 million in the bank, you're starting at zero in terms of trading skill. To get to what you want is going to take a certain amount of time and a certain amount of effort. Now, there's no way to tell ahead of time how much time or how much effort. The benchmark is going to be, are you consistently profitable? If you are consistently profitable, then what that means is you are spending the correct amount of time and the correct amount of effort. That is what's going to get you to where you want to go. And it's not going to be just in some straight line. You're going to have ups and downs. You might have setbacks. You might go around and around in a circle for a little while. Who knows? It's just like life. We don't get to where we want to go in a straight line. No different than a pilot who's leaving New York City doesn't expect to get to Los Angeles in a perfectly straight line. That plane that starts in New York is going to be flying towards Canada, down towards Mexico, towards Canada, Mexico. Well, I don't think they're going to fly backwards towards Idaho, but you get my meaning, okay? It's going to be flying in the zigzag, and then finally lands in LA. Of course, I've exaggerated it here. It kind of looks like a triangle.